In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom values in Close CRM. This is an essential skill for tailoring your CRM experience to better fit your organization's unique needs. Now let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you get the maximum utility out of your CRM setup. First things first, you'll need to log into your Close CRM account. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu. You'll find it conveniently located toward the top right corner of your screen. Within Settings, look for the section labeled Customizations. Here, you should see an option for custom fields, although the exact naming may vary slightly depending on the version you're using. Now, here comes the next step. Choose the tab corresponding to the object type you wish to add the custom field to. In Close CRM, you have several object types to choose from, including leads, contacts, and opportunities. Selecting the appropriate object ensures that your custom field will be accessible in the right context, enabling better organization and consistency within your CRM data. Once you've decided on the object type, look for the button marked either New Custom Field or Add Custom Field, and give it a click. This action will prompt a form to appear where you'll enter the details for your new field. So get ready to customize. In the Field Details form, start by giving your new field a name. Choose something descriptive that clearly indicates the nature of the value you're capturing. This will help you and your team immediately understand its purpose. Next, you'll select the data type. You have several options here, including text, number, date and time, single choice, multiple choice, user, and more. Choosing the correct data type is crucial because it defines how data is entered and interacts with other fields and processes within your CRM. If you've opted for a choice type, like single choice or multiple choice, you'll need to define the options. Consider all the potential responses users might input to cover all bases. Lastly, if necessary, you can set restrictions on who is able to edit this field. This optional setting can enhance data security and integrity, ensuring only designated roles have editing permissions. After inputting all these details, don't forget the most important part: save the new field. Once saved, it's ready for use, and you'll see it appear in the list of available fields when you're editing a lead, contact, or opportunity. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom field in Close CRM, enhancing your data management capabilities. Keep in mind that these custom fields can greatly enhance the functionality of your CRM by capturing specific information tailored to your business processes. Enjoy the flexibility and power that comes with this customization. And as always, if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy customizing!